Welcome all. Today our session is for safety officer roles and responsibilities. In this video, we will learn what are the multiple roles and responsibilities or job profile or job description of a safety officer at the workplace. So let's start the session. Number one, support HSC manager and team. The safety officer has to support HSC manager and team for the implementation of project HSC objectives and initiatives, HSC related procedures, guidelines, standards, and policies to ensure project activities are conducted in a safe, secure, and healthy manner and in compliance with companies' clients' HSC standards and international HSC regulations. Identify the unsafe conditions and unsafe behaviors and provide the recommendations for corrective action. Responsible for monitoring related activities within project sites and conducting daily inspection and ensuring the work being carried out is in line with approved JSA. JSA for it means JSA stands for Job Safety Analysis. And one thing I want to tell you that JSA, there is another synonymous of the JSA, that is JHA, Job Hazard Analysis. But both the things are same, JSA and JHA. Risk assessment and method statement and approved permit to work system effectively communicate and interact with all levels in the organization and provide support to other QHSC team members and operations on QHSC matters. Ensure that all works are performed without any risk for surrounding areas. Ensure identification of risk due to operational changes and implementation of management of changes procedures with associated risk analysis. Conduct and participate in toolbox meetings, weekly safety meeting, as well as attend HSC meeting with client. Particular attention and strict implementation of the HSC rules and company standards in relation to scaffolding, PTW compliance, confined space activity or confined space entry, work at height operations, excavation, chemical hazard, mechanical moving equipment, efforts to avoid fire-related hazards, hot work, and crane and lifting operations, etc. Responsible for identifying and implementing risk reduction measures in all areas and phases of construction, pre-commissioning, and commissioning of the project. Inspection and maintenance of all safety and firefighting equipment in the workplace on routine basis, and housekeeping and PPE surveys. And here I want to tell you that the frequency of inspection of the fire extinguisher is monthly. Once in a month, all fire extinguisher should be inspected, and there is an attached tag with the fire extinguisher, and the person or the safety officer who will do the inspection, he will give his initial and date and what the result he finds about the condition of the fire extinguisher. For example, the fire extinguisher is in pressurized condition, it is free from corrosion, or it is it has been placed in a proper location, and sure that the seal and pin is okay, and also the hydro test date is valid for the cylinder, and the discharge nozzle and hose is in good condition, and importantly actually the pressure is also should be in pressurized. Actually the cylinder should be pressurized, so he has to do monthly for the inspection of the fire extinguisher. Take action to intervene and stop any unsafe activity or non-compliance with HSC requirements if witnessed and report the incident. Conduct HSC inductions and trainings for the project personnel, ensuring awareness of safety rules and procedures, and maintain the training records. Carry out incident investigation, reporting, including implementation of close out of the preventive and corrective actions of the accident in incidents that occur within projects to ensure compliance with the corporate procedure for incident management. Conduct site safety meetings and HSC awareness amongst client, project staff, and contractors. Provide guidance, advice, and assistance to the line engineers in the implementation of safety programs. Conduct regular field observations, inspections, and audits to identify potential hazards and advise corrective measures. Support continuous enhancement of safety culture by leading by example, coaching and advising personnel on safe behaviors and practices. Ensure all company employee, contractors, and other personnel on site understand and comply with HSE requirements and regulations and strive towards zero harm to life and property. Daily report and any HSE violations, follow up on implementation of control measures and corrective actions to mitigate the risk, and recommend disciplinary actions on the safety violations to the HSE manager. Provide adequate information, instructions, supervision, training, and safety awareness to all employees in matters related to HSE. Assess and report the potential or identified risk and hazards, that is chemical, physical, biological, ergonomic, etc. within the work environment. Maintain the work environment clean and tidy before, during, and after operations in line with established standards of hygiene and good housekeeping. Daily report any HSE violations, follow up on implementation of control measures and corrective actions, and mitigate the risk and recommend the disciplinary actions on safety violations. Ensure first aid facilities are available and easily accessible at site. Registered and approved male nurse is available at site for medical and hygiene related issues. Inspect and evaluate the workplace environment, machines, equipment, and practices in order to ensure compliance with operating safety standards. Ensure the scaffolding is properly erected, inspected, and signed by the certified scaffold inspector, and it has green tag. Maintains and updates emergency evacuation plan and procedure. Thank you very much.